So let me tell you something. This is how you really make money online, right? And I'm always gonna be talking about this stuff because I've been actually making money online for a while. I never actually talked about it, and I feel like I'm gonna get rid of all this bullshit that all these internet people are trying to do half internet. You know, I'm part of it. It's the entertainment side of the business, but I decided I was gonna start being realer because it just makes life a lot easier. The one thing you want to understand is that the way we trust as human beings in our natural mind and why we buy things is not the same as actually how you should sell things. And you should sell things where you can give it as much hype as possible, but for what it's going to deliver. Don't overhype something and underdeliver. Hype it up. Imagine if you delivered a 10, hype up a 5, deliver a 10, boy. And listen, you'll sell forever. But if you're the kind of person who tries to overindulge in what it's going to get you, which is the prize without the actual work, it just really comes off as like you're buying all these courses online and you're always wondering when the person's going to actually tell you the truth. Here's the truth. It's work. Just a different type. That's the truth. That's the truth. So if you're thinking, I'm going to never work again in my life, it's just different work. And you can get people and train people to do the work. You just have to be innovative to actually execute it. So when you're following these people online and they're saying, do all this, make a bunch of money online, you'll get rich. It's very possible because I've made a lot of money. What I'll tell you is the possibilities come down to your ability to up a bunch of possibilities. Honestly, it's like you have to keep trying and just destroy, and be okay with waking up tomorrow morning and be like, I failed, but only if I quit. Okay, that's really the way that you have to think about it. I failed, but only if I quit. So I think about that every day when I'm like, dude, I'm a failure. I haven't quit yet, so I'm not failed. Can't fail, so you ain't quit yet. If I die tomorrow, I died as somebody who gave everything I had to what I wanted to do. But I'm about to 50 cent this out here. It's get rich or die trying. Get money or anything. So I'm gonna be talking about more and more getting money online and things that people don't talk about. All the books that I'm reading, the things that have made me hundreds of thousands of dollars, that's pulled millions of dollars from online, especially in the OF industry, and now about to be in the real estate industry with the niche. I mean, it's fire, boys. I'm telling you. Strap up. I'll see you guys on the other side. Let's go. It's hot out here. You know, I'm just out here creating content for y'all. So y'all better subscribe because I be doing it no matter what, like you should be.